This washing machine was not spinning and making noise, so we found out that the motor fan is busted. As you can see, it's easy to replace it. You just put the machine down and get the new part, and once we fix it, we will test it. Now we got this new part, so we're going to be replacing this new part, motor fan. Go ahead, place it. You put it on the shaft. Just have to wiggle it around a little bit. Really, man? Okay, no food. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay. There you go, the shaft is inside now. The motor fan is on the shaft. And okay, put the screw. Tighten it up with the wrench. Belt back on. That's how you put the belt. Perfect. As you can hear, the machine is spinning already. You can feel the tub spinning. Now we're going to close this and test the machine. As you can see, guys, now the machine is spinning perfectly. So this was the problem. The machine was jamming and not working, and due to the motor fan being damaged.